Do I do any ear training exercises? Nothing specific other than listening to records on headphones and trying to take note of, like, what does the low end sound like? What does the top end sound like? How do the vocals sound like? Are they really wet and reverby and delayed? Or are they dry? How are things panned? I just sort of dissect a mix. And sometimes you can get a piece of paper and literally just like draw visually what you hear. Like, oh, it feels like the drums are here and this guitar's here. That's a helpful exercise to dissect something that you know well. Because I always say that we have bad long-term memory with songs. We think we know the way a mix sounds on a song we're familiar with, but really we've forgotten. Like, we might think, oh, there's no reverb on those drums, but then you listen to it, you're like, oh my gosh, those drums are really wet. I never really noticed that, and we forget. Our memories are really bad, so it's helpful to study some of your favorite songs and really know exactly how they're made in terms of the vibe they went for. Whether you want to recreate that or not is up to you, but at least know for sure the way a mix was created. And that helps my ears keep up and keep listening for those things when I'm making a record, whether it's mixing or recording.